To fasten the belt, insert the metal fittings one into the other and tighten and secure it over your nose and mouth. Put on your mask before helping others. Please assume the impact position. There are emergency exits on either side of this aircraft. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the nearest exit to you. If an evacuation is necessary, guiding lights will illuminate to guide you to the exit. Prior to leaving the aircraft, remove your shoes, leave everything behind, reach your nearest exit, and slide down. Your life vest is located under or to the side of your seat. When instructed, slip the life vest over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and adjust it at the front. At the exit, inflate the life vest by pulling the tabs down or blowing into the tubes at the top. Then follow the flight attendant's instructions. For more information, please read the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you or near you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read the instructions illustrated there. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call one of our flight attendants. In preparation for takeoff, please make sure your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and accessories are in their upright position. Disabling or destroying smoke detectors located in the aircraft lavatories. Passenger compartment is prohibited, including the use of electronic cigarettes. Thank you for your attention. Saudia wishes you a pleasant flight. The use of mobile is permissible once the mobile site.
اللهم إنا نسألك في سفرنا هذا البر والتقوى ومن العمل ما ترضى. اللهم هون علينا سفرنا هذا. اللهم أنت الصاحب في السفر والخليفة في الأهل. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من وعثاء السفر وكابة المنظر وسوء المنقلب في المال والأهل.